Hello, and thank you for choosing Garrett Advancing Motion for your turbocharger needs. PowerMax Direct Fit Performance Turbocharger and Intercooler kits are engineered for increased performance while maintaining OEM direct fitment. With professional engine calibration and tuning, PowerMax turbochargers will increase airflow to the engine, which can increase horsepower and response. We offer a variety of vehicle-specific drop-in turbochargers engineered for both diesel and gas engines. When you increase performance of any engine, you can be certain that it will increase inlet air temps. Cooler air is more dense and can make more horsepower, which is why it's important to upgrade your intercooler. PowerMax intercoolers are vehicle-specific applications engineered and tested to reduce inlet air temps for today's hottest turbocharged applications. Bar and plate construction with advanced offset fins provides superior protection against heat soak. Custom intercooler cores maximize unused space in the engine compartment while retaining the OEM mounting points. Cast aluminum end tanks with CFD optimization improve flow distribution through the core, which helps reduce pressure drop. Installation of these products may affect your vehicle's safety, warranty, and operating license. For more details, contact your vehicle manufacturer or TurboKit distributor. And for more information, including applications and test data, please visit garrettmotion.com.